Hey guys, today we're gonna be trying to get Silver 4 in Roblox Bedwars. Alright, going to the bed break now. Okay, my teammate got it. W team, bro. W team. W team. 2-minute in bed break. I really thought I'd win there, bro. I really thought. Hello? Hello? Hello, my pearl? Killed someone. Oh, we won. W. See how much RP. We get 21 RP and 3 jug. Zeno, Evelyn, Warden. Okay, are they running like bypass or something, bro? I know Hyper Hamza is gonna go for bed. Oh, he was a Uzi. He was a Uzi, bro. I'll try my missions real quick. Okay, after this game, I'm just gonna lobby and buy Zeno. And rush diamonds real quick. Okay, someone left on the Zeno left. Zeno left. WWW. That's the Warden. Pretty sure they got tier 1 as well. There's someone cycling there. Okay. Let's get our Falcon to tier 1 real quick. And instead of arrows, I'll just buy 2 sets of blocks because I don't need arrows right now. Cycle in tier 3. Guards 20 seconds. 15 now. There's no way. I'm not losing this much dims, right? I have 8 dims on me. Bro, what is my team doing, bro? They just let this guy get a guard. Buy letter armor real quick. Oh, 1M. W. Why is this guy buying damage, bro? What are we doing, guys? What are we doing? No. For the yapping for the last 5. I have more kills than Kate and Freya, even though they're main jug. Okay, teleport. Should be enough for tier 3. Nice. W. Should I go for the bed, guys? Should I go for the bed? I'm gonna go for the bed. On team. Okay, W. Oh my god, bro. There's someone pushing up. I'm not winning this 1v3. Unless I just, like, become, like, wall or something. It was doomed from the start. Bro. Minus 50. Okay. Oh my god. I almost sold. There we go. That's Xeno kit. Let's play some ranked with it. See if it's good. If we get middle diamond, probably could win this. Why is the range so bad on this? I could barely hit them. Nice. This kid is pretty OP. Caitlyn contra. Okay, he's flying. Serious, bro. Split, bro. Please don't take split. W, we got guards. Don't really talk that much because I'm not used to it. Well, just stall all your dims. Split is available if you guys don't know. Diamond gen tier 1, so we're running. W, killed him. Avoided 3 dims. Nice. They don't have tier 2 yet, but they got some emerald chickens there. I'm gonna go get those. These guys are cooked. Got to be down in economy. Also, Toledo doesn't even give dims. So yeah, they're just down. Their bed is so free, by the way. I'm gonna go get that. W, W, W. I'm gonna get the bed also. Get some M's for my Xenos. Oh, W! Teammate got bed. Teammate got bed. Alright, we're going into wipe after I get the staff upgrade. Nice! We won. So much RP I gained. 24. We're at 58 RP now. It's like 2 more matches until we're silver 4, I guess. Fire, bro. And chug, secondary chug support. I don't even know, bro. Alright. There's their strat. Zephyr. Pyro Davey Void. I have this. Axel Amy. Okay, minors real quick. Steal their dims so they can't get tier 1 first. Get 2 M's for OB. And yeah, we're basically just okay. So someone took two M's. Okay, I thought that Davey just David into the void, but he didn't. Tier 1 acquired. Just get this dim real quick because I don't have any blocks. Alright. Going dims. Okay, we're 2 dims away from tier 3. And 3 M's away from my thingy. W, W, W. Should I go for bed, chat? Should I go for bed? I think I should. Put Obi, bro. Put Obi. More Obi. Let's put more Obi. Gotta correct false hope first. Then you pearl in for the bed break. Okay, y'all did not see that block in chat. Imagine losing a PvP against me. The worst bedwars player of all times. Holy. Oh, they got their bed. We got their bed. That was a fire blocking by me. Okay, best pearl. Got one. Everything the right place. Oh yeah, I'm the goat. Nice. Alright, teleport back on. Oh, we won. Bro, W team, bro. I love my team. Divine Cheetah Fonk. Okay. 1 or 2 matches away now. 77 RP. Lucky we'll win this. Yep. My team is distracting, you know what I'm saying? They got bad. My team got bad. W. Last guy? Nope, not last guy. Nice. Alright, that is another match. See how much RP we gain? We are 3 RP away from silver. Are you serious, bro? Okay, hopefully we don't lose this game. One last game. Come on. Well, I guess. Minus 13, yeah, it's not bad. Alright. Hopefully this is our rank. Hopefully we can rank up this match. Come on. How's Flabbergasted at the end? Ragnarok, so double Fisher. Steal their gems. Just be the best idea. Oh yeah, I make that. Thank you. Oh, I'm the best player. I'm actually the best player. Yep, they're doomed. They're doomed. They're actually so doomed. Kill her, kill her, kill her. Got it. Got it. I'm actually just a goat. Okay, oh my god. Well, that's silver 4. I don't have to say anything about it. Silver 4. We about to get gold. Wish there was rank skips, bro. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. And yeah.